a very long way up and it's very, very windy. I'm afraid to get blown off the edge. I got a little bit too cocky just then. Hey, welcome back to Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration. Today I'm exploring this massive abandoned cement factory here in Jilin in China. Jilin means lucky wood. He said wood. This factory is massive and completely thrashed. It must have been empty for at least 10 or 15 years. Before we go and check this place out, I want to give a shout out to my friend Kylie at Exploring with CF. Let's see what Kylie's got to say.
Hey, this is Kylie from Exploring with CF. We'd really love you to come check out our channel and look for really cool videos like Backyard Bomb Shelter Found. And while you're there, please hit the like, subscribe, and tap our bell and join us on all of our explorers. Hope to see you later.
Now, let's go explore this abandoned cement factory. Let's go. I've been past this place a few times now on the bullet train from Changchun to Jilin. Actually, the bullet train just passes not very far from here. And the impression that I get every time I go past it is that this whole factory looks like it's kind of melted, like it's been burned by a firebomb, or maybe there's been a nuclear explosion and everything's just kind of melted. But in fact, that's just all the cement in the air, because this was a cement factory and all the cement has stuck to every surface, and that's combined with the dust here and more cement, the dust, the cement, and so it's kind of got that melted feeling. It feels a lot like that cathedral in the middle of Barcelona where it all looks like that's melted or made out of wet sand. Let's go around and look some more. This place is super dangerous, so I've got to be super careful here. There's some rubber gloves here which look like they've been here a while, and you can see that they are also covered in a thick layer of cement. Everything here is completely thrashed. Everything's just biodegrading, everything's just falling apart. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you'll know that I've been to some other great factories in China as well. For example, the massive steel works in Beijing called Capital Steel, which is not only being demolished, but it's also being converted into the headquarters for the Winter Olympics in 2020. You can check that out in the link just here. I think the big difference between this location and that location is that this has kind of got this forgotten feel about it. This place has just been derelict so long, and even the scavengers don't come here anymore. I feel that this is true urbex at its best, where there's just no people. I'm going to keep looking around. So I'm underneath one of the cement silos right now, and you can actually hear a lot of the noise. The wind is actually blowing and deforming these buildings, and it makes it sound like it's all going to fall down. There's that metal on metal scratching sound. It's a bit hard on the ears. You can actually hear the train going past as well. That's the high-speed train. I don't know if you can hear that. This is where the cement would have come down, where it would have shot out. I'm on top of one of these gas containers now, and I'm a very long way up, and it's very, very windy. I'm afraid to get blown off the edge. It's not good because I'm actually afraid of heights, and as you can see, I'm pretty far up. When the winds die down a bit, I'll go further up, but right now I'm just going to stay put. Ooh. I've got to get down again now. Let's see if I can not die.
Perhaps today is a good day to die.
Today is not a good day to die. Wow. There's actually a chute here which seems to, I think it's filled with water. If I ever fell in there, I'd never get out. Let's throw a stone in. I didn't even hear it hit the bottom. I'm actually really shitting myself right now because these stairs look really unstable. And the wind is blowing, and I'm afraid of heights. I'm afraid of falling down these stairs. Right now I'm just afraid of everything, which is why I'm going so slowly. Maybe I should be going faster. What I'm really afraid of is if there's like a security guard at the bottom waiting for me. He'd be like, Gaharna, Gaharna. Gaharna means, what are you up to? In northeastern dialect Chinese. Gaharna. It's pretty easy to say. Gaharna. Gaharna. You got to sound like a pirate when you do it. Har. Oh, I'm almost down. Oh shit, I really can't believe I did that. I was totally shitting myself on the way down. It just goes to prove, if you're afraid of doing something, push yourself to do it and you'll get that little bit braver. Well, this building seems to be where the dormitories were and also where some of the offices were. There's lots of things like glasses and things left behind. It's actually quite surprising how much is left behind in here. Looks like it's a car radio or something. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, that's a car radio. There's shoes. There's shoes and helmets. You can see me. There's a mask. I should probably be wearing a mask right now. This looks like it was a lunchroom. There's a lot of fresh footprints. People have been in here recently. Oh my God, what kind of room was this? It's completely thrashed. So you can see this would have been a dormitory. People used to sleep in here, if you can believe that. I'm on top of the dormitory building now, just taking a little breather. There are these cute metal umbrellas that I'm sitting under. I can't believe how vast this site is and how much is left behind. It's absolutely enormous, and it's right next to the river as well. This is a fantastic location. This is the first time I've really used my Audio-Technica lav mic out on an exploration, and I think it's actually doing pretty well. It's very windy and it's not picking up any of the wind noise, no disturbance. You can see over there, I was just on top of that. One thing a lot of you guys might not realize is that Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration, the YouTube channel, was originally born out of my WordPress blog, which is www.burbex.org. That mostly concentrates on urban exploration sites in Beijing and also some others around China. Let's take a look at a few of my favorite posts from burbex.org. So if you like the look of that, head over to burbex.org and check out some of the other great sites I've been to in China. Well, I'm getting hungry now, so that means it's time to get out of here. If you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe and tell all your friends about Burbex. Plus, don't forget to check out Kylie's channel, Exploring with CF, for great new urban exploration videos every week. I hope to see you again in my next exploration. Let's go. I'm just wondering if I can get out the front gate that way instead of going around the back way where I came in. Just saw a janitor. Ran away as fast as I could. I don't know if he saw me or he heard me. I'll have to go about the way I came in. If I can remember how to get there. I think I got a little bit too cocky just then. Always keep your guard up, never relax. It's the way out. Through the garden, over the fence. That's great. One of the things I enjoy most about urban exploration is dodging and running away from janitors and security guards. In all seriousness, be very careful when you do Burbex. Shit, I've got to go eat something now.